Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Style channel. In today's video, I'm decorating my new apartment. Guys, I recently moved. This is a video collab with Yodola chair, 3-in-1 sofa bed. Guys, you see, it's a very comfortable chair. I'm not a small woman and you can see me on it. If you want to relax yourself, you can pull the chair. My new place is way smaller than my original place. Therefore, this sofa bed is perfect for me, so I don't have to have so many things. One sofa can give me everything that I need. I can put it to do my reading, or if I'm too tired, I don't want to mess up my bedroom, I can use it for a day nap. As you can see, just put the head down and voila. This chair is very comfortable, and the look, I really like the look. I choose the gray one because I'm going to do more sitting and sleeping on it, but there are varieties of colors. You guys can check it out on the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. This chair comes in 3 boxes, as you can see. So one of the box label where you can find your tools, and behind of the chair you will see the pillow and all the equipment that you need to put the chair together. 99% of the time I'm the one that put my stuff together, so instruction is priority for me. As you can see, everything that come with it. My son was helping me today and the chair was so easy to put together. Don't forget to check the link in the description box down below, guys, for a great discount. It's very easy to convert back as a chair, and guys, this chair is so beautiful and goes super well with my home decor. Okay guys, let's start decorate the apartment with me. Keep on watching. Downsize everything. I'm using a small tree, but I want it to be higher than the original height. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. The pics are from Hobby Lobby, and there's some of them too I purchased from Walmart last year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay guys, that's the way I have it for now. Let me know what do you think if you like it. In the following video, I'm gonna add my TV. As you already see right now, I don't have any TV. I'm waiting to put it together, and I'm gonna change the light fixture. Even it's temporary, but I still want to feel comfortable whenever I step inside the house. Keep on watching.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it, and I'm truly grateful for all of you guys. I love you so much. Happy holiday from my family to yours.
Or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same.
Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today
So